Good afternoon, guys. I'm here in Dominic's bathroom. So today I've been mopping his bathroom because all his equipment has to be put in here. So this bathroom is constant use. So today the floor is getting dirty. So it's time for me to clean and arrange all his medicines while he's in the lounge. So course again, guys. So here I've done a bit now. So I'm using this bucket mop and scrub. You can time now as course.
Alright. What is the time?
This is not the tiles, guys. This is like a carpet, a very thick carpet. They put it here because of Dom's he might slip. So this is the kind of it's like a hospital carpet. This one they put in case hazard. So that's why I have to scrub. This is the dirty is it's stick on very hard. Shouting in the lounge. I left him in the lounge. Okay, Dom. Next. Okay. Okay.
You want coffee?
Yeah. The next, guys, I have to clean is the wool because all Dominic splashing and he needs clean now. Feel tired. Job. Yeah. So I finished the floor now, guys. So I have to clean this side now. So just put it on. So it's done with brushing soup and that soup. And it's the dust as well. I use the silk. I like this kind of cleaning on the floor because clear the grit and dirt. Courage on that. Not too short. Empty. Need wages. No wages. Where is that brush? Next time I need to clean, guys, is the sewage, not sewage, but this one here. I can't remember what is it called, but I don't feel like cleaning today in that, so I leave it that last. I have to clean that, otherwise it's going to block, but not today. I don't feel like going to. So done now. All I need now is to arrange all his medicine and bring his wheelchair and shower chair. I've done it last night while it's sunny, so it's all dry now. So once I done all this medicine here, it's all scattered at the moment because I haven't arranged that since I was poorly, so everywhere. So I'm going to arrange that soon. So it's all there. That's Dominic's, all the medicine of Dom. So it's all higgly piggly. So all this. I'm going to get a table for instead of struggling. There's a lot of stuff of Dominic, guys. Really, there's a lot. It's all here. Some of the medicine in the box. So many. So many medicine. That's for his kidney. Antibiotic as well for his urine if he contract urine infection. This is his saliva, guys. He has a patch, but I stopped giving this because once he use it, when I put behind his earlobe, um, it's burned his skin. So I stop it to stop his dribbling, but it burned his skin. So I think it's very powerful medicine. So all this medicine here. I've just, by the way, guys, the children here, children, but some, it's not really because even even our GP, that's called doctor here, family doctor, they don't even give you a paracetamol one time. They give you paracetamol, but now they just say to you, you go to the pharmacy and buy paracetamol. Before they have a prescription, now they don't even give prescription. So it's not really free when you think about it, guys. So unless it's very very need medication, probably they will give free, but that's what put all this Dominic's medication here. So this medication of Dom, it is free because he really need it. He really need it. This kind of medicine, he really need it, guys. So that's why he got it free. But I don't know if this is like this kind is like dolculus. For adult, it's like a dolculus when the adult can't open their bowel, and that's what, and it's tablet. But this one is sachet, so that's what I give to Dominic, and it's helping him to open his bowel. I hope that because I need a nail cutter. But this COVID test, we can pick up this from the pharmacy, and that, and sometimes they don't have any, but before they gave me quite a lot, so I have some left. But yeah, it's this one, the kit is free. I'm not sure now, but this one, I had this when it was January, so I'm not sure now lately what's the rules. This is Dominic. I'm going to show you guys. This is all Dominic, some more stuff of Dom. I have to be prepared. So all that is his medicine for his bowel, and some of this the kit. So I buy all this thing for the shower here, stuff for him to the shower, and some of his liquid stuff, and this one. So and this side here, it's empty at the moment because it's outside all his big equipment. So I will bring that here now while the sun is gone. So I will put all his wheelchair, shower chair, so, and the hoist. So once I put all his stuff, this empty space will be full. I couldn't even move because the stuff of Dominic, now Dom is getting older, the stuff, his stuff become bulk and big too. So we don't have much space really, guys, once I put all his equipment. And this is it, guys. Cleaning on the floor. Now since I left lifting Dominic from a very young age, my back, it's had it now, and it's hurt. Sometimes it's when it's hurt, very painful. And I spoke to our doctor about it, and he wanted to send me to the physio. And I spoke to the physio, and she said that I have to take a paracetamol. I mean, I can't take paracetamol all the time, every time it's hurt. And she said no lifting. But how can I no lifting if I have a disabled son, if I have a disabled child? So I have no choice. I still lift him. I mean, I have a hoist there, but again, when you're in hurry, you can't really using your hoist if you're in a hurry. So you just have to pick him. Forget you go. You have to straight your mind that you need hurry, and this is it. So cleaning on the floor, squatting on the floor, it is hard for me now. One time I was very shuffle, flexible, because I am hypermobile. I don't know if you know about it. A lot of circus people who works in the circus, they're like a hypermobile because they can bendy this, bendy that. I only found that here, because as you can see, when you bend, most of people, they don't bend backward their fingers or arms and that, but I can bend backward my fingers and that. And the doctor told me here that I am hypermobile. So when I was young, I used to do all this gymnast, playing everything like that. And then it was a doctor. It was a man, and he said, when you're when you're getting older, as he said, um, you will notice your body that you might ache, because I am a hypermobile. So now I feel it now. I feel it. One time when he said it, I didn't believe it, because I never feel ache, and I left him Dominic and that easily pick him up and that. But now I finally realized that yes, the doctor who told me before when I was in 20s, that I have a hypermobile, um, he is right. So, but what can I do, guys? If you have if you have a child who is needing you, like Dominic, and he's still in nappies, and he can't open his bowel, and I have to give him the drink, and he won't tell me that he's open his bowel, he's in a mess. He won't even tell me. So when I change him, I use a lot of wipes, and that's when again it's accumulate the wipes, and it's expensive again. The wipes is very expensive. So in the end, I have to take him here and shower him, and sometimes the shower won't even work, because I use the water, the hot water. So they will stop while Dominic not even finish cleaning his bum. So he will stay here in cold because the the shower, the pump is stopped, because I use a lot of water. So this is it, guys. It's not easy. It is not easy to have a child who has disability, and just me, the four of us here, my husband, my two children, and I don't have family here except Cheryl. But Cheryl, she used to be look after Dominic, and also she's like a family to us. But she decided to finish, and but she's still coming. She's like family to us. The children treat children like their own auntie, because we have no family here. But it is very difficult to find a person who similar to Chirel. So just the four of us, if we want to go out and that, we can't really go out because we have nobody to say, can you look after our children and that. And it's very difficult to find a person who understand of a child who's have behavior problem, learning difficulties, and physical problem. So this is what my situation. And yes, and this is it, guys. I'm just telling you all about my life here. And yeah, and all I want is just back home. Really, back home, my family will understand me and give me strength. But one time, my parents give me strength, more strength when I feel down. I have to talk to them, and they open to, when I cry. They because sometimes when you have like this kind of situation, it's you just feel sad, happy like that. And my parents there and say something, and it make me um, give me strength. But now they're not there anymore. I really miss them, really miss them, because sometimes you need somebody to talk to, and your family is first you can think of, and then the second your brother and sister if you have. But sometimes your own family don't even understand you, even though even what you've done, what you have done to them, they still understand, because again in their mind here abroad, where probably they think that we have a better I guess we can eat better food compared back home. But the life here is not, it's not really easy, because you can't even talk to your neighbor. They all close. Hardly see your neighbor, and you just coop in this house. And if I got good weather, you go to the garden. But if the weather is not good, you just stay at home. You can't do anything. It's cold. Whereas back home, you got family to talk to. Somebody come visit you, and if you want somebody to help you, they're there. And but here you can't. If you need something to repair, you have to ask and you have to pay, and it's very expensive. So you have to have money to always, if you need repair and that. Whereas back home, if you have somebody, if you need repair or something like that, if you got family, if you got brother, you can ask. But here, if you don't have, like me, my husband, we don't have anybody. So that's why I've learned all the stuff, guys, that I've never even think before in my life. When I was single, I've learned all how to hammer. I've climbed the trees, which is very, very tall. I climbed that. I've done the roof, the shed, which is called payag. I've repaired that, because if I've hired somebody, again, it's money. And this is what I keep telling to my family, that only air is a free in abroad. But now it's not even free because of the COVID. So nothing to be free in here. I mean, back home we can have, if there is somebody's birthday, they give you something and they invite you on that. But here nobody. If nobody, sometimes you don't even know the people next door or something like that. So this is it, guys. So I keep telling this to my family, but now you see, that's why I need sometimes I need them to understand or love or something, but I don't know. And but I really miss my parents. I do really miss them, because they're the one who understand me. But Unfortunately, sometimes your parents left you, and this is it. Being a mom, um, yes, yeah. So this is it, guys, and I'm just thankful that you're here, and I found you here in YouTube, and listening to my journey here, to my son's journey, and you have given me courage and hope that one day, um, my goal, one day they might help me here. All I want, guys, is to my son can walk, and that's all. Because now now that Dom is getting big boy now, to be honest, it is really difficult now. Even Dominic equipment to help him, but it's still not easy. So that's why, even if it's small, today I because it's nearly summer. Sometimes it's hot in here in this country, England, but sometimes not. So I bought him sandal. It's like Jesus sandal, and I feel really excited to put on him, on his feet, on his feet. So, but when he stand, guys, his right foot, he just like this, flip over. His right foot is flip over because his right foot obviously it's weak, but the left foot, the left foot is okay, but when his sandal is become flip over, and I thought it's okay now for all my massage, but no, he has to wear that splint. So, oh guys, that's why sometimes I feel really down. It's really hurt me because I am trying hard, really trying hard here. But I wish I have something that I could rush and easy to go to this doctor, but unfortunately, is this money. You see, I know they say money cannot buy happiness, but when like me, when I need money, because not for myself, not for because I have a goal to get, and my son, unfortunately, I don't have that. So and that's why I show her how struggle I am here with my son, and hopefully there is a person, or there is somebody here who listen to what I've shared. So yeah, so hopefully, guys, hopefully there will that's my dream for my son. So anyway, guys, I guess I have to do something now, so that's for my work today, and I will bring all the stuff for Dominic, and then probably I'm just have to take a picture to see tidy in his room. So again, guys, thank you for listening to me, and following me, and trusting me, and listen to my situation here. So thank you again, and thank you, and hopefully you will help my son. Every little bit, it's a help for my son, guys. So please do, and help me to raise this goal of Dominic, and our fundraising here will reach one day, and we have a GCAS too. If somebody would like to give anything, anything you can do. So thank you very much, and we will see you again in our next journey of Dominic, my son, and Pixie, and me. So thank you, guys, thank you here in UK. Thank you, and you take care, and all the best, and see you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye, and thank you again. Bye bye.